Well, what a way to test run some more Dreadcast gaming with the technical test for the new Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game, which I am so stoked for. Which comes out August 18th. But yep, welcome back to the Dreadcast. My name's Tom. If you've been following the podcast, you know this voice and probably the face by now. It's beautiful, isn't it? Right? Yeah. And I was lucky enough to get this key today on the final day of the technical test for the weekend for this game. Aidan, part of the Dreadcast as well, received his technical test key yesterday, and he streamed it. Had a great fun stream, and I'll be posting some clips on the channel soon, which they might even be there by the time this goes up, so check that out. I have never played a game in this genre before, so we're talking Dead by Daylight, Friday the 13th, Evil Dead, Predator, all these games. This one is special to me though, because this is my favorite horror film of all time, and I've been following the development of this for some time. It's not a big AAA game. It's not. It's understandably not. But what it is, it includes my passion. My passion for horror, but also my favorite favorite horror film of all time. So you put video games and favorite horror film of all time, put them in the same place, you're gonna get a hyped up Tom. So yeah, I was very excited to get a technical test key. And what we're going to do now is we're going to get stuck into it. Hopefully it'll work. It's in windowed mode because it was on this screen and I wanted to move it to this screen and it was a big faff, so who knows. So it might have to stay in windowed mode. I'm going to see if the PS5 controller works with it. I am still treating it as it might be buggy, it might be glitchy, it might be broken. It's a technical test. It's still in development. Everything is still not final, as it says down the bottom. We're going to get into it and have some fun, hopefully. I want to see how the Sawyer house looks. I want to see how Leatherface just works in general. Yeah, I'm just hyped for everything. So let's get into it. See if we can use the controller to get... Doesn't look like we can. So we'll try the keyboard. There we go. Oh, they've got a monologue. Amazing.
Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen...
Why is it stopped? I tried to full screen it, and I may have skipped the monologue, so it's a good start so far. But this music is great. I love... Oh, there's the house. The big bold font of the film. The music is just... The music is perfect for this film, because this film just gives an impression of hell. Like the hell that Sally goes through the whole time. And yeah, this music, just dirty, grungy, industrial sounds. Beautiful. So, let's see if we can get in. I still don't think we're going to be able to use a controller. We might have to just use keyboard for now. That is loud. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. There we go. Okay, never mind. Apparently the volume was fine. It was just too loud on the PC. I couldn't hear it myself think. I don't think the controller's going to work. Fine, technical test. I'm sure they'll implement that in the final game. So let's have a look at what we got here. Tutorials. Victims. You've been captured by the Slaughter family. They call them the Slaughter family. Tied up, tortured, and left for dead. You must do whatever it takes to escape the family's property at all costs. Makes sense. Find your friends, hunt for life-saving items like tools, bone scraps, and health, but more importantly, locate and open up escape routes before it's too late. Be resourceful, and try to escape. And be quiet. The family is hunted. Your life depends on it. Now, when it says family, does it mean one of the family, or does it mean all of them? Like, for instance, the hitchhiker. Is the hitchhiker the only antagonist there? Use shadow and tall foliage. It's pronounced foliage, Lisa. Foliage. That's what I said. Well, there's the cook. He's got his stick. All gaps, crawl spaces, and unique hiding spots like freezers, armories. Yeah, to evade the family. Watch out for objects that make noise. Yeah, that makes sense. Such of items slowly will drastically increase your chance. Slowly. Okay, I guess you cause a bit of nuisance and noise if you're doing it fast. Even too fast. Doors can the location, so stay calm, move quietly. The family is always listening. Tools can be used to break locks on doors. Health items can heal you, while bone scraps can be used to sneak attack or confront the family. Yeah, I wonder if you can kill them. Oh, well, there we go. You can. Looks like you can stun them, knock them down. You can only carry 2 items at times. Choose wisely. The heavy metal doors almost lead out the basement. Find her over them once upstairs. Keep moving if possible. There are multiple escape routes located on the outer edges of the property, so find a way to open them. Some escape objectives like the fuse box and water valve pump require specific items to activate them. So it's really a game of being resourceful. Resourceful as anything. I'm glad they kept the straight road from the house. I'm glad they didn't change that from a winding road. The water valve, gate, and basement door exits are also available options if you can find the necessary parts to activate. Okay. Needs pressure valve handle to open. Once fixed, the escapes will open. I'm hoping the AI. I hope you can play with AI in these games. Again, I've not played one of these games before. Played all these, never played one of these games before. I'm hoping the AI ends up being well, if there is AI, because I imagine this being that one hell of a toxic environment. Star sign abilities. I didn't read that. Capture, beaten, or torture, so injuries are severe. You need to escape before you succumb to your wounds. As the match continues, you start to bleed out more and more. Beware of leaving blood trails. Oh, interesting. I guess that stops you from camping. Other items can slow this process, but you can't stop it. Finding fellow victims and working together is recommended but not required. Grouping with teammates can have a multitude of advantages, but your total noise output might also increase. This all makes sense. And the question is, oh, look at our boy Leatherface. Okay. Alright, so let's check out the family as well. The Saurus family, remember that. It's due to secure the property and stop victims from escaping. The family is way of life. Ah! 2 new people there. Make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water. I think I want to play as the family first, if I'm honest. I want to keep this place locked down. The status of these items play a huge role in whether or not... Okay, yep. Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered around the map, or by attacking victims directly. Feed this newly acquired blood into Grandpa. There he is! Make him stronger and effective. Amazing. The stronger he is, the more powerful his sonar ability will become. Pretty soon he'll be finding and highlighting victims to the whole family to see. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, like a detect... Okay, Leatherface has a detective vision now. Pick Grandpa enough and he'll give the whole family new abilities that can be used for the rest of the... Okay. Remember, Grandpa is the best killer there ever was. Go and get him, Grandpa! Get that bitch! Signs of movement and listen to noise. Yep. Each family member has a unique ability that can help hunt down victims. Yeah, although some abilities have limited quantities while others are on cooldown. Okay, makes sense. Once you locate or find the victim, make sure you have a plan. Try to set up ambushes or catch them off guard. Yep, basically get them. Go and get them. Ah, lure them in. I see. Okay, let's get into it. let's play as family. I don't know if he starts in the basement along with the victims. Now, unfortunately, you're not given an option in the menu there, in the main menu, so I don't really know what the controls are, but we'll figure it out. Whoa. Okay. So, are we Leatherface? Every time, yeah, okay. We got the hitchhiker, we're waiting. So it's 3 against 4. Options. Oh, here we go. Input, keyboard controls. Oh, snap. Okay, that's a Xbox controller. I do not have an Xbox controller on me. Whoa, no. We got 4 minutes until we go. We got 2 more players. It might just start in a minute. Oh boy, I have no idea what's gonna happen. Let's have a look at the keyboard. WASD, ASD, interact, E, mouse, select pocket, run, yeah, crouch, yeah, okay. Okay, that's not too bad. I mean, we'll try with the controller first, but PS5 controller doesn't seem compatible right now. Display object. Alright, we'll figure it out. Oh, have I got to select ready? There's a skill tree as well? Holy shit. Loadouts. Okay, looks like we're ready. Let's figure it out. It's a shame the controller doesn't work. And it's also a shame my 360 controller is... That's right, folks. I got a 360 controller still for my PC games. It is not at hand, but we'll look into it. So has anyone checked this out themselves? Write it in the comments if you have. What did you think? Right, let's do it. The Saw is family.
University of Texas student, the sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search
A lot of signs of foul play, I would assume.
Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. The brutal attack on 3 female college students in Pflugerville, Texas last year is back.
I love that it is at sunset. Feed grandpa, but secure the property. Feed grandpa, but hunt and collect blood from victims. Yep. Execute victims. They could add so many cool characters to this game in the future. Like, give me Chop Top. I want to play as Chop Top. Whoa, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, we can run. Okay, right, we've got a bit... Whoa, the, chainsaw. Alright. Alright, okay. This is going to be really slapdash for the time being, okay? But I just need to get used to it. It looks like left on the mouse is to... Looks like you hold for the chainsaw? Christ, the basement is huge. It's a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. Oh! Come back here. I see ya. I see you. Give me that blood. Where'd you go? There, I gotcha! Where did you go? Victor noises awaken Grandpa. Is that a bad thing? Oh! Come back here. Whoa. Rev chainsaw. Grandpa, you're fine. Don't give me that shit, Grandpa. Okay, I feel like we need to get out of the basement now. I'm not locking myself in this basement now, am I? Come on. I wonder if the chainsaw has a... like it runs out of gas after a while. Gasoline. What was that? Jesus, this basement is huge. What's this over here? What is this? This is very prominently lit thing. Nothing. I also have no idea how, like, everyone's doing. No one in the chest of drawers. Okay. Chest of drawers. Freezer chest. Some more blood, I guess. Okay, so I'm not really sure what collecting the blood does, because that just filled up a bar there. There's noise upstairs. We need to get out of this basement. That is for sure. Victim detection activate. Oh, snap! Oh, is that the metal door? How we get out? Okay, we don't want... Grandpa, I'm coming! Oh, look at this! Look at the house! Oh, that's so dope. I'm a-coming, Grandpa! There's the dinner table. Grandpa! Have some of that. Oh! Let's get them! Come on! Where did they go? There you are. Oh no, it's the cook. Oh, I see. The chainsaw's gonna... Fuck, the chainsaw's gonna cause a loud ass noise. I understand. I don't know. Closed. I don't know where anything is. This is gonna be a case of definitely learning the maps. You know. No, we need to destroy that. I kind of wish the field of view was a bit wider. Concern noises. Right, let's go. Yeah, the house is a lot bigger, that's for sure. No? Okay. Okay, so you got a couple of seconds to rev your chainsaw, but that's the... I guess that's the disadvantage. So you got the advantage of... What am I saying? If you rev your chainsaw, getting it ready, people are going to hear it. But if you don't rev it, you can run around seemingly a lot quieter. Wow, this place is massive. I've also not seen anyone. Is that me? Am I concerned? Bucket empty. Bitch, I'm gonna get you! What the hell? I just heard it. Alright, alright, alright. She went through here. Grandpa! Someone there.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Alright, you do it then. So that's the window Sally just flew out of. Grandma's not hungry? Oh, come on now. There's someone running there. I don't know if I'll be able to catch him. I doubt it. And that, yeah, you've got to really think about it because you could then, you're opening the main door to let them out. This is beautiful. This captures the film perfectly. If you put a film grain over the top of this. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Hitchhiker's going for one. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? I could have sworn they ran around here. Well, even if we don't kill anyone, I'm pretty stoked to have been able to, you know, check out the premises, check out the whole area in general. Electrified fence still in operation. See this, yeah, this is awesome. And I hope you, I mean, it seemed like you get different attires. So if we get to dress up as smartly dressed cook Leatherface, that would be cool. Hello in the basement. Pack it in. Let's pack it in now. Come on. I see someone there. I assume maybe like with your tiers and your skill trees, you'll be able to like level that up, make it a bit faster. See, now I'm unlocking the doors. That could be a problem. How's Gramps doing? Yo! What? I saw someone. I know I saw someone there. Gramps is hungry again. Get some blood for him. Hook. This is a really big map. A hell of a lot bigger than I imagined it would be. So, at the moment we're up to level 4 with Grandpa? Level 3. Whoa! Kill me. Let's go have a little nose around. See, we've got to be able to find someone soon, right? Oh! Oh! No! Where did she go? Where did she go? Shit. That was... Oh, that's so annoying. Damn it. She was fair game. Grandpa? Hell no. Where'd that fucker go? Come on. Come on. Come on. Where you going, boy? Oh my god, playing this in window mode sucks. Oh, this sucks playing it in window mode. I can't wait to get this game in full screen mode. Come on. Come on. Where you going, boy? I did it again. I did it again. I feel like I'm just toying with him now. Why can't I do an attack? Okay, that's how we do it. Okay. Well, at least we have some prey. Alright, we'll just keep going until we get... Oh, family! Yeah! Get him! Uh-oh. Get him! Good job. Good job. I helped. I helped a little. I need to play this game in full screen mode. That's what I need to do. I wonder, can I try that now? Oh, that's how. Oh, wow. I didn't think it would be that easy to do. So there's 2 victims left, right? Let's, we got some blood that we could give to Grandad, I guess. Victim there. Looks like it's in the house, not in the... Well, in the house, but not so much in the basement. Where's Grandpa? Let's give some blood. Tasty, tasty blood to Grandpa. There you go, Gramps. Don't spill it now. That's the good stuff. Grandpa still hungry? I wonder what happens when you get Grandpa to the full full level. Oh, that's a good shout. We should probably close all doors that we go through. I wonder what that 7 out of 62 is down on the bottom right. I assume it's blood. Oh wait, what? Oh, how many drops you've got, I guess? Get some more? Sounds like someone is getting wrecked. Yeah. I'm helping. Yeah, there we go. Right, we've got 1 left. Can I do the business and be a big help again? Because that's seems to be my... Oh, let's get some more. I'm just going to keep feeding Gramps, you know. I'll be the good family member here, you know. I'll do the... Whoa! I think that was the cook. I think it was the cook. Yeah, there's the hitchhiker. I wonder if this person's just hiding. Victims have nowhere to hide. Let's bounce! Let's get this bitch! She's upstairs. Wait. Well, she was upstairs. Maybe not. There she is. There she is. There she is. Hunt down final victim. I'm on it. I'm trying. Outside? Oh, sorry. Got him. Well done. Well done, everyone. Let's get another game in. Didn't do too well. Not too bad of a score. Not too bad of a score. Disconnected. Oh, come on now. I wonder if next match is going to go straight into... Let's see if next match goes straight into... well, the same thing. We play Leatherface. I think as long as we can play someone different than Leatherface, that would be cool to see. It'd be nice to play family. Sorry, victims. Victims would be cool. Yeah, cook. Yeah, fuck it. Let's play as the cook.